Welcome to a new video on drone capture. This time, I'm taking you on a different adventure, a mix of drone footage and a walk tour. On January 19th, I left Belgium for Portugal, and today, I'll tell you all about my first day in Porto. Let's get started. Departure from Brussels and arrival in Porto. I departed from Brussels Airport on a Ryanair flight to Porto Airport, officially called Francisco Serrano Airport. The flight left at 10:20 am and lasted about 2 hours and 30 minutes. A smooth and quick journey to one of Portugal's most beautiful cities. Once I arrived, I took the metro straight from the airport. Porto's metro system is modern, well-maintained, and easy to navigate. A single ride costs around €1.60, but if you plan to use public transport regularly, I'd recommend getting a pass. The price depends on the zones you'll travel in. If your hotel is in the city centre, like mine, you can easily walk to most places. But if it's further out, a metro pass is definitely worth it. My hotel was called Hotel International, located right in the heart of Porto. It's a fantastic place with a great location. I loved staying there. The breakfast was included and featured delicious Portuguese treats like freshly baked pastéis de Belém. The staff was incredibly friendly and spoke multiple languages, making the stay even more enjoyable. After checking in, I started exploring the city. I walked down the famous shopping street, Rua de Santa Catarina. It's full of shops, including a special store called Forca Portugal. It's a great spot for everything related to Portugal, from souvenirs to football merchandise, a must-visit for fans and tourists alike. At the end of the street, I visited the Via Catarina shopping mall. This mall is unique because the top floor is designed like a traditional Portuguese village, complete with charming decor and atmosphere. It's definitely worth checking out. I also stopped by the Capela das Almas, or Chapel of Souls, which is covered in beautiful blue and white azulejos classic Portuguese tiles. It's a stunning sight and one of Porto's must-see landmarks. And that wraps up my first day in Porto, an exciting mix of sightseeing, exploring the streets, and soaking in the city's charm. But my journey here is far from over. Stick around as we dive into day 2, with even more iconic spots, stunning drone shots, and hidden gems around Porto. Let's jump right in. I started my day at the famous São Bento railway station, known for its stunning azulejo tile artwork. From there, I walked toward the iconic Dom Luís I bridge. While crossing the bridge, I captured some amazing skyline footage and even got a close-up shot of a beautiful seagull, one of my favorite moments of the day. Then, I set up my drone for some breathtaking aerial shots of Porto and Vila Nova de Gaia, showcasing the city's beauty from above. I'll include those shots here for you to enjoy. After flying the drone, I walked down toward Vila Nova de Gaia, crossing the lower level of the bridge to the other side. Along the way, I spotted one of Porto's historic trams, which I made sure to film such a nostalgic and picturesque sight. I continued my walk, heading back up through the streets of Porto. On the way, I saw the Torre dos Clérigos, one of the city's most famous landmarks. Afterward, I visited the famous Livraria Lello, one of the most beautiful bookstores in the world. It's said to have inspired parts of the Harry Potter series, and its architecture truly feels magical. Before wrapping up the day, I stopped by the Mercado do Bolhão, a traditional food market filled with local delicacies and vibrant energy. It was the perfect way to end my exploration of Porto. And that concludes my second day in Porto. From stunning city views to cultural landmarks, it's been an unforgettable experience. But the adventure doesn't stop here. Next, I'll take you to Lisbon, where I continued my journey through Portugal. Stay tuned for part 2 of this series, where I'll share all about my time in Lisbon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Drone on Capture, and I'll see you in the next video.